Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat I AI. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat AI, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to this window of Snapchat. When you'll find this list of app info, you will click force stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that, we click clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention.